Everyone, welcome to Hey Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a sweet recipe which you can do for Diwali, and happy Diwali to all my viewers in advance. Today we are going to do a carrot fig cashew roll, and to do this I've taken half cup of condensed milk, half cup of chopped fig anjeer, half cup of grated carrot, and half cup of ground cashew nuts. And I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of ghee. So in a large bowl, I've taken 1 teaspoon of ghee, and to this I'm going to add the carrots, the fig, and now I'm going to just saute in the microwave for a few minutes. After I sauteed the fig and the grated carrot for 1.5 minutes in microwave, I gave it a quick spin in the mixer, and you can see that it's nicely mashed. Now I'm going to add the cashew powder and the condensed milk, and also I'll be adding a pinch of saffron. If you want to add cardamom, that's your choice. So to this I'm adding the cashew powder, and also I'll be adding the condensed milk. And the saffron. We'll mix this well, and then we will heat it in the microwave for 2 minutes. See, after 2 minutes this is the consistency, and I'm going to heat it for another 2 minutes. After I heat it for 1 minute, I'm looking at the consistency and I feel this is good enough. So I'm going to just let this fully cool, and then I will be making the rolls. So once it is cool, I rolled it nicely in a wax paper. You can even do it in a cutting tray. You don't necessarily have to use a wax paper because it does have a little bit of ghee in it, so it rolls very well. Now I'm going to slice it, and then I'm going to just add some nuts on top. So you can see here I've cut them into different shapes, and you can do it however you like, and you can even wrap it again in a wax paper individually, so that you can pack and give it to your friends. So this is very healthy, and it's a very mild sweet, so anyone can have it, and it's a healthy recipe. Thanks for watching Hey Kitchen. Happy Diwali to you all.